Hey guys, lots of stuff going on today. So I received a couple packages. I wanted to talk about what I got and why. So these came from Amazon, they're Anker products. And this is actually really cool. So if you have a MacBook Pro or a MacBook Air that uses USB-C charging, Anker now has what they call nano chargers. So this is a nano charger. It's the size of it. It's like the size of a normal, like a brick, but it's a lot smaller than the Apple one. And it has a single USB-C connector on the back of it, but this provides 65 watts of charging. So this will charge my MacBook Pro at full speed, and it's awesome. It's super small, and these are they're normally like 50 bucks. They're on sale because of the Amazon Prime thing right now for $35. So highly recommend them. I have one that I keep in my backpack in my everyday carry pack. It works really, really well, and it charges my MacBook Pro at full speed, just as fast as the Apple charger. And then this is actually another cable. So this is a USB-C cable from Anker. They make them in a bunch of different colors. Like this is just a fluorescent yellow color. This is a 3-foot long cable, I believe I did. Yes. So this is a 3-foot long cable. It is USB-C and it supports up to 100 watts of power. Sorry for the noise. There's jet stuff going on over there. So this will provide 100 watts of power. So this is going to stay out here on my workbench, and I'm going to have it for charging my laptop, my MacBook Pro, anytime I need it. I can also use it for other things, like my Rode video mic uses USB-C, my Sennheiser Momentum uses USB-C, a bunch of other things. My Sony camera uses USB-C, so this will work with all of them, but where it really shines is when you're trying to charge a laptop, like a MacBook Pro or something that requires the 60-watt charging. It's just way smaller than the Apple charge brick or the the other, like the Lenovo one or the Dell ones that are doing 65 watts as well. So another good product from Anker. I've never had a product from Anker that I've been disappointed with. All right, next, I got some more OG giveaway products for the M2 giveaway. So Obsessed Garage box, I haven't unpacked it yet. So this is an OG zip up fleece, which I haven't had any of their jackets or hoodies or anything like that yet. And then these are the 3 new shirts that they have, 3 new colors. So green, red, and blue. At this point I pretty much have every color of OG shirt. I just like the shirts, they're really nice, they're comfortable, I like wearing them. This is a special giveaway shirt. Well, they're all giveaway entries for the M2, but this is a special edition shirt. It's called like a Minimalist. So they have an M2 Minimalist and an M2, a Clean Car Club. That's a special one that they did too. So here's the hoodie. Has a dialed in logo on it. It's got a hood, front zipper. The zipper's plastic, which is nice. I don't like metal zippers because they have a tendency to scratch things accidentally. Seems nice. It's pretty heavy. Fleece on the inside. Fits well, really good length. Actually, it's longer than my shirt, so that's nice. And yeah, arm length is good. I'm 5'11", 200 pounds, give or take. So yeah, fits me really well. The regular OG shirts I'm not going to open up on camera because they're pretty much the same as all the other ones that I have. You've seen me wear them. They're the same shirt as what I'm wearing, the Improved Garage shirt. They're same. These ones are special edition though, so let's see what they actually look like. This is the special edition M2 shirt. They call it the M2 Minimalist shirt. So on the back it just says M2CS, and on the front it has like the light of, it's like the driver's side headlight, and then it says CS. And then on the back there's an M2, and on the side it says Obsessed Garage vertically. And then I have a Clean Car Club shirt. So Clean Car Club. Looks like that. It's pretty cool. Always keep it clean. So, new OG shirts. It's been a while since they've come out with some new shirts, so I'm pretty happy about that actually. And then these are some keychains, which I've always liked the OG keychains. So in the past giveaways, I've purchased these. This is a racing, it's aluminum keychain. This is black, there's a blue one as well. I have the blue one on the Honda. This is the Mercedes key. So for this giveaway, they did a titanium version, which looks like this. It's just raw, and it has the OG logo. So I picked up one of those. I also picked up, they have a nut keychain, looks like this. They make that in 4 different colors. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I picked up all of those, silver, black, bronze, and blue. I got another, this is like a flight style or airplane style key tag. I had to because Eric stole mine. He started using it for his car because he liked it better than the Kill All Chrome one I gave him. And last but not least, I picked up another plug, stainless steel plug. So this one has a black ring around it. It's slightly different than the one that I have right now, but I have one that I keep on my hose reel, and these always go out of stock. And I've lost mine like half a dozen times and then found it later on. So eventually I'm gonna lose it and not be able to find it, and they're gonna be out of stock. But this is what they call the PP dribble plug. Basically you put it on the end of your hose when your hose is rolled up. So you'll see one here. And so you'll see one here. And that just keeps you from having it kind of drip all over your stuff or down your wall or on your floor or whatever. So this is a special edition one. It's got like a black ring on it. The normal one doesn't. And really like just being very clear about it. And I know I don't need any of this stuff. Like the shirts and swag, it's all merch, right? But the reality is that I want to win the M2. So spending a couple $100s on chances to win the M2, I can either just buy virtual tickets, and the virtual tickets are $5 a chance, or I can buy products, and the products are $5 a chance, but I also get a product. So in my mind, it makes sense for me to just order some products, even if they're things that I don't necessarily need. I'll use them eventually. I do like their keychains. I do like their other products. I use this plug all the time. The shirts are super nice. I wear them all the time. So, you know, why not? I just picked up a bunch of different things. Unfortunately, this giveaway is, it's all pretty much all merch. They don't have any, well, they have a couple detailing supplies and a couple packages and stuff like that, but most of them were like, I would have to rebuy things that I already have. So anyway, shirts I can always use. Keychains, those types of things I can always use. I do really like, I use 2 of the keychains all day, or every day anyway, so. Anyway, thank you for watching, and hopefully you'll have a great day, and see you next time.